$10 in the hat. You can get a postcard of me juggling fire out there. If you put $10 in, you can get a DVD of my show that I produced this last year. And Sean, this hat is for you. What I'd like you to do is, after you hand me up the machete, I'd like you to take this hat and go up to the balcony. And then balcony, I'd like each and every one of you, when Shane gets up there and goes by, to put in a $5 or $10 bill. Or maybe even that 20. I'll put that right down there for you. Now, are you too good, or do you want to switch shoulders? Okay, go ahead, switch shoulders. That was a fun ride. Now, because I will be juggling waves and sharp machetes, I am going to give these two gentlemen a little protection. We're going to add this to you, Carl, because you're going to be in the danger zone. And we're going to put this on you, Evan, because you're dressed over here. Hand me up those machetes. Good. Let's have a nice hand for Shane. Shane, the hat. The hat. Yes, up to the balcony now before they leave. Do a good job for me. Get 5, 10 to 20 from each and every one of them. I have a daughter, I really do. She used to work with me, but she doesn't anymore because she's in college. She's going to start her senior year next year at UC Santa Cruz. So I've been paying for college tuition. So 20 So this is the last week in my show. It really is most difficult because this is a new pole and it's a little different than my old pole which I used for 10 years. It's only a week old. I've been working on it, so I'm a little bit nervous. So if I get it going, it might not last very long. So please applaud it immediately. And if you don't know what to put in the hat, think about what you pay for a drink today of coffee, tea, beer, wine. At least a few dollars. Well, I think this Trigano, if you just got here, I think it's worth at least $5. If you saw more of the show, I definitely think it's worth a 5 or 10 or maybe even a 20. Think what you pay for a movie. So here we go. 2 hands on the pole. Hold me as steady as you can the string. You don't want me to mess up. The razor sharp machete juggle of death. Ooh, everybody. Here we go. Hold me as steady as you can for the next 10 seconds. If I drop one of these and it lands on your hand, Carl, I'm sorry. Yeah, I had a little trouble with this under the spot last night. Please hold still back there, Evan. I'm just going to go for it. Yes, this is good. This is really good. Ooh, there you go.